Guys, welcome to another unboxing and demo of a new fun product. This is from Kolorfarm. Now I did a previous video where I unboxed this with the whole packaging and all that. But what I'm going to show you today is how this thing might fit on an actual chair. It took a while to find a chair that would actually house this, but that's because most of the chairs that we have really thick legs. But this one seems to work pretty fine, and so let's give this a shot. So as you can see there, it was really easy to put this on, and the same would probably work for the back legs as well. But anyway, if you guys have used chairs in the past, then you guys know that what often will happen is that these little bits here will wear off, or in this particular case, these ones are plastic. And so if you've got a floor,
Likey.